So in this video we're going to look at how to top up our inks on our Canon Colorado M series machine. So first of all I'm going to go over to my screen and I'm going to check my ink button here. Now this is going to tell me whether I can actually install any ink cartridges on this machine. Now you'll see that there's this little line here. So when it goes below that line it will allow me to add another ink cartridge on top. At the moment mine are all just above that line. You'll also see when it allows you to change a cartridge, you'll get a little changeover icon that comes above the cartridge that can be changed over. So I can't change any ink on this machine at the moment, but to do the ink changeover process, all we do is we go over to this side here. You'll see we have our cartridges here and we don't have any green lights, which means that none of them need changing. But all we do to change them is we pull this lever forward, we lift the cartridge out, we then get a new cartridge and make sure it is the correct colour for that position. We then put the new cartridge in and then we lever that back all the way to that position. Your new cartridge will then be set in the machine and ready to go. Once it's in, you'll see the level slowly build up on the screen. It won't be instant, it will start to rise and rise and rise in there until it gets to the full percentage. And that's how you change your ink cartridge on your Canon Colorado M series printer.